That road used to go all the way around the caldera, but that clipped in 2018 as a result of the earthquakes. There were over 50,000 earthquakes, 50,000 earthquakes, recorded by the USGS in 2018 alone.
Is that the visitor center right there?
The orange building over there?
Yes.
That's the Jacker Museum, and you can't go in there anymore. With all the earthquakes, the foundation got shaken so much you can't go in anymore. If you follow along the rim more to the right, that's the visitor center over there, all that big cluster of buildings.
Thank you.
I'll make a nice kind of slow right-hand turn here for you. Yeah, it's Earth creating Earth right there, guys. So all that barren land off to your right is the Ka'u Desert. What's happening is this plume, it mixes with the clouds and it rains out as acid rain. So nothing grows to the south for miles as a result. Those long lines towards the shoreline, those are fault lines. This place has been earthquake active so long, it's just shaken itself loose. That poly, the coastline, sloughed into the ocean by a total of 2 feet in 2018. Everybody get a good look? So we're going to follow the northeast rift. So we've got the caldera here, right? This is the center of the volcano, but then the extension is this northeast rift out to the point of the island. The northeast rift is one big lava canal underneath the ground, and we know the direction of it because of these craters. Just connect the dots. The craters happen because that lava canal is one big hydraulic tube. So when lava goes in one direction, a negative pressure remains, and then the weak points in the ground, they just get sucked right down into the lava canal. A lot like a sinkhole.
And then all these are vents up here in the ground from it?
Nope, these are those craters I was talking about.
Okay.
Yeah, I've never been around for one, but apparently it's almost an instant action. It just collapses in.
You hope you're not standing there when that happens.
Yeah, exactly.
Edmund, do you have to create a flight plan for every one of your flights, or do you free fly with the help of air traffic?
So essentially, most of all this is Class G, but for our actual tour regulations, we just flight follow with ourselves. So we essentially do a flight plan with ourselves, essentially every single flight. So we check out, we give the plan that we're supposed to fly. Then if we need to deviate from weather, we also have a base over here in Hilo, so we tell them if we need any deviations, and then we just kind of follow along that way.
Thank you.
Yeah, we have just one controlled airport over here at Hilo, but other than that, we're just kind of flying around ourselves.
Do we get to go through the mountains, down in the mountains?
Oh, we're going. Yeah, right.
Okay.
Yeah, this is it's two completely different sides of the island, right? This side is growing, and the other side is all so old it's just vegetating now. Yeah, so that's where all the rainfall, the waterfalls, and all the forest is. Off to your left here, guys, this is a potentially active pu'u. This is called Mauna Ulu. Mauna Ulu was active from 1969 to 1975. So that's one of those releases from the lava canal underneath the ground. And that lava would have went down towards the shoreline via gravity, hit the water, and then exploded, and that's why we get the black sand that washes up all the way around the island. So here you have a 500-foot crater, an old pu'u, and there's even a fault line running over that pu'u that's releasing steam heat. Yeah, this side of the island maybe just a couple 100,000 years old, but the west side of the island well over a million years old.
Is that just a cloud in that crater, or is that actually steam coming out of there?
Yeah, steam, yeah. Ahead of you, that's the Pu'u vent. Yeah, guys, so ahead of us now, again, Pu'u. In 2018, Pu'u was full. It was shooting lava 500 feet up into the air, so just about our elevation here. But this is one of the features that drained out and supplied that lava out to the northeast. But we're coming up on over 65 square miles. A lava flow that have come out of this vent alone over the time. Worked its way down towards the shoreline. There's a town at the shoreline called Kalapana. They have rebuilt twice since the 1960s.
That is so cool.
I'm glad we did this.
I'm glad you did too.
So I'll continue around to the right here, get on the left side too. So So you see the red rings, right? That's that iron content in lava, so it's just kind of rusting out. But hey, that yellow gas, that's sulfur burning off. You get that sulfur dioxide entering into the air. So you see all this kind of browny looking lava. The Hawaiians, they call it pahoehoe lava. And then there's that really rough aerated lava called a'a lava. And both are really hard to walk on. So this browny looking lava, it looks stable, but it's not. It cools in such thin layers that you step on it, you crack right through it. End up in a lava cave, you had no idea what was underneath you. And then that rough aerated lava just rolls your ankles, so you're moving slow already. So if you're out there and you want to go hike off trail, bring a friend, bring a rope, bring a lot of water, and just expect it's going to take you way longer than what you thought.
Sounds like our hike to Green Sand Beach.
Oh yeah, you put the effort in to get out to the Green Sand Beach?
Yeah, but we were stupid. We didn't know, and we're like, oh, it's just down the road. We didn't bring any water. We wore flip-flops. We made it, though.
Oh, good on you. So this section here, guys, we call this Pele's fingers, her last grasp out into the rainforest.
Night and you and blue Hawaii. The night is heavenly, and you are heaven to me. Love with you and
There's the rain or the cloud.
Yeah, this is pretty typical for Hilo. Normally we're kind of managing bands of rain coming in almost 30 to 45 minutes. It's one big downspout all the way there, out to the northeast over there. So you guys see this lava flow off to your right here, the black in contrast to the rainforest. So that leads right up into the town of Pahoa. That came off the vent where we were just flying, and it made its way all the way down here in 2014 to the town of Pahoa, knocked out a couple homes. Not too visible today, guys, but if you look out to your 2 o'clock, there's a bit of a hill in the rain over there. Yeah, forward of that, there's a black hill, and that's Fischer number 8. Fischer number 8 opened up, and it didn't stop pouring out for 3 months. Billions of gallons of lava went down the ridgeline and then down towards the shoreline in that direction towards the Leilani Estates. Again, destroying over 800 homes. All that destruction of property, a little bit of construction for the island, though. The island grew by 15 square miles in 2018. Sherry and Don are hiding the rainbows over here. It's kind of far out in the distance over there.
It's cozy up here.